Hey guys, this is Julie, J Trading Strategies, and I want to share with you a filter that I've been using. And it is based on momentum, but William Blau's momentum. And then I put a Bollinger Band on that momentum so I can control, Bollinger Bands or standard deviations. So when I see that price is above or below a mid-band and or standard deviation level, one or the other, I can take a trade entry. And if I see that it breaks the mid-band and also that standard deviation level and starts falling, I can add on to a position. So I'm going to show you back test results. I posted that it's a pretty good strategy just to use on its own without anything. So like I use this as a filter, so you would want a strategy per se, but just using this by itself, um, I'll show you what that backtest results is, and you can get more information on William Blau's indicators and trading systems in an article on MQL5 momentum, and he talks about his or they talk about his system. He also published a book, which I have and I recommend if you want to pick that up. William Blau, Momentum, Direction, Divergence. And so this is how I create my strategy for momentum using NinjaTrader. I don't have the strategy or the indicator, like I'm not selling it or anything. It's just momentum. And the way Blau does it was smoothing it with an EMA. So not really my strategy. I'm just using what he has proposed, but I did add the Bollinger to it to help uh, further guide entries, especially on a 1-minute chart. And this is what it's designed for, by the way, is for a small trading account. So if you're trying to build a small account, this is a very good strategy to use. And another thing to keep in mind, I'm only running this an hour in the morning, hour and a half, actually 8:30 to 10. So, so between 8:30 and 10 a.m., that's it. 2 times ATR, 1.5 times ATR stop. Boom. BB mom right there. So the way I have it set up, got you, you can see a positive expectancy, and that's for 30 days. So you can build on this. Like I said, maybe we want to add a second one with the BB mom high-low or something like that, or you want to add your other trend filters or breakout strategies or opening range strategies, linear regression, or higher time frame momentum, making sure that the 30-minute momentum is going in the same direction. But so there's all kinds of things that you can do to improve on this even further. This is just, taking, every single turn up or down and just trying to get, like I was saying in that post, 1 ATR off of it and seeing if the winners exceed the losers during the time frame. When you're trading that first hour in the morning, you're getting the most range expansion up and down. So that's why it works really well for that first hour. And if we want to break down those results again, go inside and look at it, you can see the average winning trade is $500 and the average losing trade is $287. That's on average. So that's a good day trading average to manage. But do note that the largest drawdown was $1,000, 1063, and the largest winning trade was 1,661. So the winning trade is bigger than the losing trade. It's all positive. So this is a positive expectancy system. And the volatility has been increasing in September. So a 1-minute bar is easily $1,000 if you get that wrong. So easily on one contract. So just be careful. The volatility's been out, and I'm trading the most volatile of the time period on the most volatile instrument. So this is definitely, a volatile um, instrument, but you can just see from looking at it that you get going in that direction and you just want that follow through and more winners than losers. And if you put your own system on it, like only go in the direction of the prior close, like you could add a condition to put only go in the direction of the prior close or the current open. Let's put it just the current open, the RTH open. Use my opening range indicator, put the open on it. And you have to come in here and change this to so there we go. It gives you an ability to trade in the direction that price is moving from that current opening price. So you can, filter the trades however you want, current open, prior, close, 200 EMA, what will be some other ones? What other filters that or if you want to put the point of control. Some people like to trade with profiles. So I want to only be on the direction of the point of control, going away from it with this system. And that way, I put ATR on it also. Bloodhound has this little indicator here that you can put your ATR for bar length solver right here. And so I require almost an ATR, almost a full ATR for that prior bar to get a signal. So if I don't take the little tiny bars with this, I want a bigger bar to take it off. You want something with a little bit of oomph behind it so that the price is going to be keep moving directionally. So but there you go. Whether you filter it even further or just use it straight out of the box, it's something to consider to help you start building a small trading account so that you can take it to a larger time frame and or incorporate other strategies with it. So hope y'all have a good weekend and be careful out there. See you later.